Hey guys, welcome back to Caitlin's Craft Corner. Today we're going to be making a fortune teller. Please like and subscribe. Let's get started. So first you're going to fold the paper into a square. Unless you already have a square piece of paper. Now you're going to take your scissors and cut off the excess paper. When you're finished cutting off the excess, unfold it. Then fold it back this way, the opposite direction. Then fold it to rectangular. Angles. Then flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Now you're going to put your fingers in each little square down here. Make sure they're folded in the whole time. This part is probably the trickiest, so it could take a little more long. Now you're going to do it on the other side. And try to even it out. And there you have your fortune teller. Okay, when you're finished folding it, it should look like this. Now you can fold it back down to where this part is. You should see each equal square. On each equal square, you're going to write a color of your choice. I'm going to write blue here. I'm going to write pink here. I'm going to write yellow right here. And then I'm going to write green right here. When you're finished drawing on which colors you want, go ahead and flip it over. On each one of these, you're going to write a different number. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if anytime if I'm going a little too fast, feel free to pause the video. Finished with that, you can now write the messages inside. You can write 4 or 8 messages about maybe what might happen to them, if they're going to have a good day, or if they're going to lose something, or just a little message. Here's some ideas. You'll have a good day. Or something, maybe you will get a pet soon. Or you will go on an adventure soon. Or for the last one, you could do something maybe like, you will get a smidge the thing instead in case it's not. So when you're finished with that, fold in each side and put your fingers back where they were. Since we had already done this part, it should be a little bit easier and a little more bendable. Okay, so there you have your fortune teller. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video on how to make a fortune teller. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Have a great day.